Do you love the color blue as much as I do? Then let's make both of these necklaces in under 1 minute. All materials will be listed in the description below. The throat chakra definitely includes Lapis Lazuli. Look at this gorgeous deep cobalt blue. It's got some kind of almost gold tone to it as well. It's part of the sediments, and it's the only stone that is known to actually decrease inflammation and improves your mental and spiritual state. It is known as the stone of wisdom, and it can be worn with just about anything. It's so versatile and so gorgeous. Amazonite. Amazonite is another type of blue turquoise stone known as a stone of hope. The higher the quality, the more solid of the turquoise green/blue that you'll see here. This stone is also known to calm the nervous system, so it's perfect to wear when you're having that job interview or you're at a doctor's office waiting for results, and so many other situations. It's also known to aid with your thyroid balance, which we know that is super important for a healthy system. And now let's talk about blue lace agate, that beautiful pastel blue with little white swirls in between. It almost looks like color periwinkle where you have the blue and a little bit of lavender. This stone actually aids in communication, so it helps you stand strong and bring your ideas forward in a clear way when you're speaking with someone, or better clarity when you're trying to solve issues. All right, guys, are you sitting down? Because if you're not, information is about to knock your socks off. You literally need to be sitting down or you're gonna fall on your booty, okay? So we're about to make 2 necklaces 2 different ways in under 1 minute. That's right. Let's go over the materials you'll need. You'll need the pendant of your choice. You choose whatever you want. I've got a Lapis Lazuli here today. Make sure it has a drilled hole on it already. You need a clasp of your choice. This is the one I chose because I think the silver goes really well with that color. You'll need a silver chain for style number 1 and a leather chain for style number 2. Optional, again, is our ring for closing and opening jump rings, but if you don't have it, that's okay. You can use these 2 pliers here. You'll just need 2 flat nose pliers. You guys know I like to work with the curved one. That's good for the wrist, and then you got your flat one here. So let's get started. Right, first one up is going to be the silver chain. So what you're going to do is you're just gonna take your ring here. You're going to open it, and who did I think I was, huh? This is how you open these guys. Okay, see that? How it's got little teeth in there? And you're simply going to push that down and then slowly but surely go ahead and bring it together. You can guide it with your fingers first. Even actually you can push it with your finger because you don't want to smash the rock. So be very gentle when you do that. And voila! How long did that take us? 5 seconds? You're going to take your chain, because it's got a very wide loop. You're going to put it through the loop. And oh, what did she just do? I just created a necklace under 30 seconds. And you can too. Look at this. How pretty is that? Guys, come on. Anyone can do this. You can give them as gifts. You need 3 pieces of jewelry. And you just made yourself a beautiful necklace. All right, now let's go to style number 2. Same exact pendant, same exact silver piece. You already know what to do. You just feed it through the hole, press it in there, guide it in there as much as you can. Then you're gonna give it a nice little tug. Again, you've got the pendant here, and this is interchangeable, right? You're going to feed it through the leather clasp, pull that right through, and oh my goodness, my tray's even flipping, it's so happy. Look, you've got another necklace, a different style. You've got the leather cord loop it right through there. Voila, another 30 seconds of your life. Thanks for sticking with me, and you guys have an amazing rest of your day.